One of the first challenges people face when they look at the markets is knowing where to start. There are countless charts, opinions, opportunities, timeframes, and possibilities. The purpose of scanners, indicators, and tools is to bring more structure to that process. There are different scanners because there are different strategies, timeframes, and different asset types. One tool that suits one person may not suit another, so the aim here is to not force everyone into one approach. It is to help you find a clearer way of reading the market. What I value most is the connection between the technology and the people behind it. Sniper Pro, one of our scanners, is an example that was built around John Oliver and his own approach to trading. He is one of our educators and he also teaches it live on the platform. I can personally relate to the importance of that because I was educated by the creators of the Quantum Scanner, another of our scanners. So learning from the people who understand a tool inside and out gives you far more than instructions on which buttons to press. You begin to understand the thinking, the structure, and the purpose behind it, and that matters long term. An educator may not always teach live forever, but the training and the recordings remain available within the platform, and the scanner and the tools remains there for you for your own analysis. The goal is not to depend on someone else indefinitely. The goal is to master the skill, build your own understanding, and for you to be able to use the tools with increasing confidence for yourself.